What's good, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday to you all. I hope you're doing very well. Today we're exploring Cardano because it's a blue chip crypto. We're going to really do a deep sea dive into this coin and dig deep into some key areas of support and resistance. Is it undervalued? What can we expect over the next few years? I just need to say, welcome, ladies and gents. I really need to emphasize on ladies more often because 10% of viewers are actually all female, which I was quite shocked to hear about. If I did have my hair a bit more pretty looking, I'd probably bump that number up to 20%, but I'm here to talk about crypto and not become the next Joey Essex. So let's talk about it. Cardano is ranked 7, $0.382 in terms of price at the moment, and when we look at the sort of year to date, we can see it has actually been in a very nice looking uptrend from $0.25 all-time high, of course, around $3 level. Major correction, even lower than 2017 prices. So for those of you that don't know, Cardano is a decentralized proof of stake blockchain, trying to be a more efficient alternative to the proof of work consensus. So let's see what can happen here. If you're new to the channel, guys, I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway, and down below, make sure you get into that. I've got 1 day left, literally hours left until I announce the 5 winners. And also get yourself down into my Discord where we're looking at charts, analysis, insights. We've got loads of leverage trading signals as well, where people are making some good money here. We've got lots of calls going on every single day, loads of analysis from analysts. And honestly, guys, it's a cool place to hang out during the crypto winter. So we've got pre-sales too. There are a few live pre-sales. You can see the links to those down below as well if you want to. But remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Anyways, let's hop into it. $13.2 billion market capital for Cardano. Now, historically, the market cap came up to a whopping very high 93 billion, so we can still easily speculate there's a good 5x 6x if Cardano does achieve its all-time high in terms of market capitalization. Now, it doesn't mean we'll actually see the price go higher or hit an all-time high because there are 77% of coins in circulation at the moment. Now, a lot of people forget Cardano does have a roadmap. It's actually in the scaling phase right now, which is the Basho phase, which completely focuses on increasing the optimization of interoperability, scalability, throughput, things like that. So hopefully we could see more side chains for Cardano in the future, new blockchains as well, which would be very cool and offer immense potential for Cardano. And we can see as well recently they're doing a lot of partnership networking around exhibitions across the globe. So I love it when coins build in a bear market. I think that's just so important. Let's look at Cardano anyway, a bit of analysis, keep it short and sweet for you guys. So of course, we're in the weekly time frame right here, but we had those massive highs in August 2021 where we were overbought on the RSI. We can see right here, massively overbought with a huge bearish divergence on the RSI, and that indicates that usually there's going to be a big bearish reversal taking place. You can see forming higher lows on the relative strength index, and here we were printing higher highs on the price structure, which was not really a bullish thing. I mean, it was great at the time, but people are still, of course, down a lot in terms of their funds right now. If you bought in at the top, you are still down 87%. So looking at this kind of year, I've got two kind of main take profit regions. If we do get a bullish bounce, a 2023 little bull run in a bear market, it's not going to lead to all-time highs. I do speculate we could come up to around 75 cents for Cardano, and the second area could be around $1, which is a huge psychological resistance and barrier, that $1 level. And of course, we had so much resistance around here from 2021 before, so there's a lot of touchdowns of support and resistance around that $1 barrier. So I speculate at least a 1 to 1.6x for Cardano. And of course, we have a great dollar cost average opportunity. If it does come down to 25 cents again, we can see that. Now, look at the RSI. We had a few oversold positions on the weekly. First one being in May, Terra Luna crash. Second one being in December 2022. Another Black Swan event, the FTX crisis. So it's trying to break out at the moment, Cardano. It keeps getting rejected at this kind of resistance range of 41 cents. And that's what we need to see, a breakthrough. Loads of touchdowns, 41 cents, rejection every single time. But it does look like we are starting to write in a little bit of support. So there is still hope for the bulls that we could see a bit of continuous price action here. But we are seeing that classic bearish divergence here on the daily time frame where the price has been coming up, but the RSI is dropping. It's slipping away a little bit, which kind of indicates, well, okay, are we going to see a loss in, you know, upward momentum here. Are we going to get rollover? The key area of support right now for Cardano is around 37 cents, and if we did lose that support level, we would potentially you know, crumble back down a bit lower, and we don't really want to see that. That's the last thing we want for Cardano right now. Join up these kind of lows right here, a bit of falling wedge price action here. If we look at the previous swing low to swing high, you can see hits around that 0.618 Fibonacci resistance and supports. Look at that, just above the 0.618, so we could be getting the next leg up here for Cardano. That would be very, very ideal. I would enjoy seeing that. If it did happen for Cardano, it would look very good. But there is always the potential to come down to 0.37 and then break out to 0.41 and then see some positive price action to the upside. That's speculation. We want to see a breakout. If we do get a breakout of this 0.41 level, the take profits, in my opinion, I'm never going to get them completely exact. I mean, that's what we've got to understand, but it would be around these sort of blow off top wicks. So we still got a lot of potential up to about 0.437 if we do see some bullish continuation here, guys, for Cardano. So yep, I think short term 43 cents is a good target if we can hold the 37 support level and break out with what looks like a very cool falling wedge chart pattern. Smaller time frames like 30 minutes. It's getting that kind of rollover, isn't it? Really printing some lower highs, lower lows. Looks like a very, very strict kind of descending channel over here, but fingers crossed the bulls will bite back strong and push the price of Cardano up. So bit of a bearish pattern here within a falling wedge. It is a negative continuation pattern, but hopefully we don't see too much continuation to the downside. Fear and greed index today is 53, so the euphoria, the greed is slipping away a bit as well as investors come back to sort of their logic and not euphoric mindset. So overall, really bullish for Cardano. I think it looks good. If you're new to the channel, guys, consider becoming a Patreon. My Patreon link is down below. I've got 112 spaces left or VIT. Quite a lot of are sold out now. This will give you access to pre-sales, whitelistings, inside info around these pre-sales as well. It'll give you access to the VIP Discord where you can get one-on-one lessons, trading signals, leverage signals, future calls, everything you need really. One-on-one lessons, like I say. You can even schedule in a call with me and have private tutoring if you needed it. But yeah, guys, definitely check that out. If you're new to the channel, have a look at those 3 pre-sales down below. Remember, do not risk more than you can afford to lose. And thanks for checking out the video. See you soon, ladies and gents. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now. Subscribe, like, comment, and do those YouTube thingies. Oh yes. Bye.